Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video I will show you how you can download a theme and how you can upload and install and activate it. So to download the theme you can go to wordpress.org and then you can click on theme. This is the theme marketplace. From here you can download any theme you want and you can also install all these theme from the add new option here. So all the theme which are here will be there too. They show you the same theme. And you can also download a new theme from a different website. So there are a lot of websites which offer you free theme. WordPress.org is just the official one, but there are a lot of company which offers you free theme. You can also download and install their theme. But right now in this video I'm going to show you this theme. This is an amazing theme and I actually like this theme, so I will show you how you can use this theme. So but first we need to download it, so click on download and the download process has started. The theme is downloaded. If you want to see the preview of this theme before installing it on your system, you can click on the preview option here and then it will show you a preview. And this theme is quite clean and I love this theme. The main reason I like this theme is because it is fast. It is really fast and it is regularly updated too, you can see here. Alright, now let's just go ahead and upload this theme on our website. So I will go to the dashboard. Here is the appearance. I will click on add new here and then I will click on upload theme. Just ignore this error for now. I don't know why it is happening. Just click on the choose file and then I will go to the downloads here and then I will select my Astra theme. So I will select this and then I will click on open and then I will click on install now. And unpacking and installing the theme. So it is currently installing the theme and then I will click on activate. And now this theme has been activated and let's just go ahead and visit our website. So I will click on visit site and now you can see that the entire design of our website has changed and it is looking very nice. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video I will show you the marketplace from where you can get some premium theme, because sometimes these free themes are not enough and if the client is paying you a lot of money then you can buy these premium themes and then you can use those theme. Alright, so that's it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.